Morning, Mantas. Welcome to another day here. Now, today you're going to cover the decline of civilizations. Now, you're going to do this both today, Tuesday, and then on Thursday. So 2 days to work on this mini sort of web quest that we have set up for you. Decline of civilization, huge topic. This is like a lot of the premise and basis of the study of history. As you continue in your studies, taking this in college, you have a couple of courses you'll have to take in college. I majored in, but something like books, thousands and thousands of books written on these topics. History of mankind. I don't know if these are a mirror image. I can't read the words. History of mankind, written 1964. Textbooks you get, tons of words, right? Another version of this. There's version 1, version 2, both published in 1964. Global studies, if you're reading that backwards. Global studies, totally different word, different version of it. Yes? All right. AP history, AP world history in high school. Get college credit for it. Highly advise you doing that. Could save you lots of money. You got this. World civilizations. This is one of like probably 8 or 10 different books that high schools are using these days. Study guides for it. AP world. Modern world history, which probably starts in 1492, so it's not as relevant. And finally, if you're doing world history in high school, which is a possibility as well. Lots of courses on it. And we're going to condense it all in 2 days. Kind of sad, but it's what we're doing. So you guys will be fine. They pull this over. Hold a sec. And like this. All right. What you're going to cover today. Your scopes changed. The decline unit introduces students to factors that led to the decline of ancient civilizations. Students will analyze geographic, economic, and political factors that played a part in the fall of ancient societies. During this time, students will also learn about specific historical figures and groups that have impacted the decline of civilizations. Now, the 3 things there: geographic, economic, and political factors. When you think about geographic, it's like, they located in a part of the world that had something happening that made it more complicated for them to survive. Whether it was like growing food, it was something related to like volcanoes. What happened exactly to this civilization to make them decline? Economic, were they in a part of an area where they were trading for a while and then they're no longer trading? And political factors were their neighbors around them that made their survival difficult, if not impossible, because the neighbors were hostile and wanted to take them over. So we're going to look at those. The objective here, explain how invasions, conquests, and migrations affected various civilizations, societies, and regions. So you're looking at that. Now, I know what you're thinking. So if these civilizations were so great, why aren't they still around? That's a great question. So you will complete several activities to examine the reasons that each ancient civilization fell. As you complete these activities, keep these questions in mind. What factors, geographic, economic, or political, led to the decline? Were some factors more detrimental than others? And how? And then number 3, could these same factors still be issues today? Why or why not? Now, we've always heard this in the news. You say, oh, the United States is like Rome, and we're going to fall like Rome. And so what factors are similar? And does that mean that Canada's invading? Because it's the northern Germanic tribes that invaded Rome. We're going to look at all those. Okay, how this is going to work today. Let me pull this over. For our purposes today, you have this web quest. Now, the guiding ideas behind it is that civilizations are affected by what factors? Which of these factors do you think had the biggest impact? The web quest decline of civilizations. You will be taking the role of a historian today, tasked with researching why civilizations decline and how civilizations today can learn from the past. Sorry. You will analyze the sources provided to compare and contrast factors contributing to the decline of civilizations. Pull this over. There we go. Lose my mouse. Rome. That's the one we're going to look at. 8 reasons why Rome fell. There's a live link here, so you should be able to push this video like so. It'll pull up there. Okay. Yeah, it's a short video, so you can check that out. And take that and look at this. Another short video. Let's skip the ads, shall we? All right. All right, we won't make you do that twice, but you get the general idea there of the brief video in there. Close this. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to need you to start to rank these. So using the sources provided, rank which factors contributed to the fall of the Roman Empire, from the most important factor to the least important factor. 1 being greatest, lower numbers being less. So you got 8, right, or 5. Now you're also going to ask this: do you think Rome could have prevented their decline? Explain that. Are there any similarities between Rome's decline and other civilizations, past or present? Then we're also going to look at India in source number 2. So we really, in the next 2 days, you're only looking at 2 major civilizations that we've been studying and looking at their decline and the factors that contributed to that. So ladies and gentlemen, that's your task. I'll be in line. We'll have a Google Meet going at the same time. You're doing great work. We miss you. This is just weird times, but you guys are doing great. So hang in there and look forward to this.